So, I've been watching Bruce Wilson having his US spec Scania built. And it's amazing to me how well trucks in Europe are built. Right now I'm driving a 2016 International ProStar. It has the Cummins ISX engine in it. And as you can tell, it's shaky, it's noisy. It feels like a 1950s auto car compared to what they have in Europe. The US really needs to allow the European trucks over here, especially if anybody that has say in the regulation of what trucks are allowed here sees Bruce's Scania come over and they look it over. This might be where the US starts mixing and having both European and US trucks. I'll tell you right now, I'd hop in a Scania. I'd hop in a DAF. I'd hop in any of them that they have over there. I've driven a DAF before when I used to visit an old girlfriend out in London. And I will tell you, that was a badass truck. So, I can't wait to see what Bruce does with this truck. And I'd love to actually take it for a drive. I currently live in Massachusetts. In a few months, I'll be moving down to Georgia, probably around the spring. It's currently September of 2024. So we're looking at spring 2025. I'll be down in Georgia. And I know he's in Florida. Even if I don't get to drive it, I want to go see it. Because honestly, that thing looks badass. Bruce, thanks, bro.